Once upon a time, there was a king who was very kind to his people. He ordered the construction of a 100 kilometers long road. When the road was built and the time came for its inauguration, he asked his 3 ministers to come and inspect the entire road, once to find out if there are any defects left. The 3 ministers left. In Syria, the first minister came back and said, "King, the whole road has become very beautiful. But garbage was seen lying on the road. If it is removed, the beauty of the road will be affected." When the second minister came, he also told exactly the same story, that there is garbage at one place on the road. If it is removed, there will be no space left to raise a finger on the road. When the third minister came, he looked very tired, and his clothes were getting wet with sweat, and he also had a bag in his hand. He told the king that the road has been made very luxurious, but I saw garbage lying on the road, due to which the beauty of the road was lost. I have cleared it. Now the beauty of the road has taken 4 months, and there was this bag too, someone might have forgotten. The king smiled hearing this and said, "I kept this garbage and also this bag. There is money in this bag, which is your reward." And then the king said in a loud voice, "Everyone makes claims and everyone makes mistakes. Everyone wants everything to be good, but no one implements it. If we want everything to be good in our society, we have to change ourselves. And you have to play your full role to make your society bright."